Minister wa ukui na arunake ministry-ini cia ugendi, ugiteri na ugima wa mwiri o hamwe na anyiti itemi angi magwikinyitie kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta gwikira kirore uiguano wa kwihokera ngwataniro ya KIA urugamiriri wa mootungata kiharo-ini giki. Uiguano uyu uria uratanyo kwambiriria guthingatwo ihinda-ini ria mieri 3 yukite ugukorwo kigaciria uheani wa mootungata niguo gutigirira na wakinyia ikiro cia kimabũrũri.
As we are here, the president himself is aware that we are signing this charter, and so there's no room for failure.
I want to be very candid with our colleagues in KIA. We are giving you the responsibility to coordinate all of us. A lot is required of you. We will demand, and we're going to ask very specific questions. Johnny, you must deliver.
The regulator, the airlines, immigration, customs, we are all in this together. So the direction has been given, and it's now for us to deliver on those things.
Matiangi augite ugaruruku wa mbere afagite gwika ni ruhonge-ini rwa maabitha borithi kiharo-ini giki.
I have had extensive discussions with the Inspector General of Police on what we are going to do with the Kenya Airport Police Unit. I don't need to discuss those things here. We have agreed on what we are going to do. We are going to change it. And my colleagues in the police service who work in Kapu, it's true, as Najib says, it's not going to be business as usual. We want to sort this thing out.
Niguo gutigirira aria othe manitunganaga na aria maretha mootungata ni makinyanirie ikiro aruti othe a wira kiharo-ini giki no nginya magerere mathomo-ini ma mwanya maria mahaririirio ni thirikari.
Every public servant at this airport must go through that training. By 1st of January, if nobody is certified to do that training and examined, he will not be allowed to work at this airport.
Kiharo giki kia Jomo Kenyatta gikoragwo na makiria ma kambuni 40 cia ukui wa ndege kuma nja na thiini wa bururi na ningi nikio gitongoretie thiini wa Afrika hari ukui wa mirigo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.